We got some big news for Amazon stock investors as the company is slashing 30,000 jobs. And I'm going to talk about why that's a big deal for Amazon stock investors and how it relates to investments in artificial intelligence and what it means for investors. I'll share with you my fair value calculation again for Amazon so you can see whether the stock looks undervalued at the current market price. Let's take a look. All right, so Amazon is planning to cut as many as 30,000 corporate roles beginning on Tuesday, as the company works to bring down its expense and compensate for overhiring during the peak demand of the pandemic. This is according to people familiar with the matter. Now, this might represent a small percentage of the company's overall 1.55 million total employees, but a lot of those employees are in other categories like warehousing, which earn lower wages compared to corporate roles, which can earn much higher wages, multiples of that of warehouse roles. Nearly 10% of the company's roughly 350,000 corporate employees might be removed. So if you compare to the much smaller number of corporate employees, this number of layoffs looks much bigger. In fact, it would represent the largest job cut from Amazon since around 27,000 jobs were eliminated starting in late 2022. And the timing is important because remember what was going on in late 2022. Let me remind everyone, this is when the central bank in the United States was quickly increasing interest rates to fight increasing and out of control inflation. Investors and companies were afraid of a recession on the back of those increases in interest rates. So when businesses are afraid of a recession, they let go of people. They let go of workers because they expect less spending from customers, and so they need fewer workers. And so this announcement is concerning here for overall investors in that, and I'm seeing this across the board, companies are announcing layoffs. Just the other day, we had an announcement from Target, which plans to cut roughly 2,000 roles, and other companies, Intel is slashing over 25,000 roles. And so the job cuts are at the levels, or not quite as much, but similar to the levels of late 2022 when there was increasing risks of a recession. And I've been talking about how the economy in the United States is experiencing a major slowdown as businesses have stopped hiring. Click the link below to watch the full video.